Perhaps there's nothing so appetizing and mouth-watering as a moist chocolate cake that melts in your mouth, and that's just what you will learn how to make in this video. Welcome back to the Tell Me More Hub channel, where we funnel your ideas into great videos. If you haven't already subscribed, you can do it right now. Indulge in the delectable triple chocolate chip Bundt cake. There's something about a moist, rich chocolate cake that captivates the taste buds and soothes the soul. Our triple chocolate chip Bundt cake is just that, a heavenly, oil-free creation that promises decadence in every bite. What sets this cake apart is not just its indulgent chocolatey goodness, but also its healthier preparation method. The advantage of applesauce. In traditional baking, oil is used to add moisture and bind ingredients together. However, this can also add unnecessary fats. By substituting oil with applesauce, we maintain the moist texture of the cake while significantly reducing the fat content. Applesauce adds natural sweetness and keeps the cake tender, allowing you to enjoy a guilt-free dessert that doesn't compromise on taste. Recipe and instructions. Ingredients: 1 chocolate cake mix, triple chocolate is best, 1 cup water, 2 plastic 4-ounce cups of applesauce, 4 eggs, 1 packaged chocolate instant pudding mix. For the chocolate cream cheese frosting, 4 ounces cream cheese, 3 cups powdered sugar, 1/4 cup soft butter, 3 to 4 heaping tablespoons of cocoa, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, a dash of salt, 2 to 4 tablespoons milk. Adjust for consistency. First up, let's get started with the preparation. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to use a baking spray to grease your Bundt pan thoroughly to prevent sticking. Now, for the mixing of the batter. In a mixer, combine the chocolate cake mix, water, applesauce, eggs, and pudding mix. Beat until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. Next, pour the batter into the prepared Bundt pan. Place it in the oven and bake for approximately 45 minutes. The cake is done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, remove the cake from the oven and place it on a cooling rack. Allow the cake to cool completely before moving on to the frosting. Now let's make the frosting. In a bowl, combine the cream cheese, powdered sugar, butter, cocoa, vanilla extract, and salt. Gradually add milk until the frosting reaches your desired consistency. Mix until smooth. Once the cake is cool, apply the chocolate cream cheese frosting liberally. For an extra touch of chocolate, sprinkle chocolate chips over the cake while the frosting is still fresh. Serve this luxurious cake as a perfect end to a meal or as a treat during a special gathering. It's sure to impress with its rich flavor and sumptuous texture. The triple chocolate chip Bundt cake is truly the perfect cake for any occasion. Whether it's a celebration, a family gathering, or simply a craving for something sweet, this cake stands out as a showstopper. Its rich layers of chocolate, coupled with the creamy, luscious frosting, make it not just a cake but an experience to relish. Delight in the fact that it's made with healthier ingredients, proving that delicious can also be nutritious. Enjoy baking and more so, enjoy indulging. We hope you've enjoyed another video from the Tell Me More Hub channel, where we research topics of all kinds. We look forward to your comments and questions, and we'll see you on the next video.